Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. You know how you get those unsightly nails and they don't look too good and it's a little bit embarrassing? Well, it doesn't bother some people, but it bothers me. I like to have my nails looking fresh, especially when I do these videos. You don't want me having dirt under my nails and, 3-inch long nails, that sort of thing. By the way, how do these ladies do anything with those 3-4-inch long nails? How does that even happen? I don't understand the concept. There's certain personal functions you need to take care of. How do you do that with 3-inch or 4-inch nails? I just don't. Maybe someone can explain it. All right, I digress. Back to the men. Here we go. This is a 4-sided shining buffing block. Here's one in the package. It's a little bit hard to see, but here's one out of the package. This is mine. It has 4 sides to it. Very gritty, not so gritty, less gritty, and then the fine side for polishing. And I've numbered mine. I don't use the super gritty side. It's a little too much. It scrapes off too much nail. But if you have really thick nails, then you'll want to use that to really clean them out, especially if you have fungus. You want to get most of that nail off, get it as thin as you can, so that whatever medicine you put on there can do its job. And it's not fighting against that really thick fungus-infected nail. The thinner you can make it, the better. Don't make it too thin. The way I use it, I have numbered my buffing block, number 1, 2, and 3. So number 1 is the black. That's the grit side that I use. Number 2, the white. That is the next step in the process. And then number 3 is this brown, super high polished. That will put the beautiful shine on your nail. Once you finish with the number 3 side and you got it all buffed out, it'll actually make it look like you have nail polish on, but you don't. So that's what I like. I don't like putting nail polish on, but when you get them buffed up real nice, then it looks real sharp and fresh. All right, I'll show you how to use it. Let's get to work. I've taken a marker and labeled each side as far as what to use first, second, and third. This very gritty portion of the block, I don't even use this side. So I have number 1 here. This is gritty. Number 2, a little bit smoother. And number 3, this is the polishing side of the block. I'll show you on my thumbnail. This will be pretty easy. So you'll start with number 1, and you can see my nail has got some grooves to it, and it's not very shiny. Technically, you should really go in just one direction, but it takes too long to do it that way. The block is flexible, so it forms to the shape of your nail. So that's number 1. After you finish with the 1, just give it a quick wipe down. Then you go to side 2. After that, give it another wipe down. And then go to side 3, which is your smoothest side. This will really give your nail a high polishing. It actually makes it look like you have nail polish on, but you don't. I start off with a bit of heavy pressure and then decrease the pressure. See how polished and clean it looks? Just carry on that process to your other nails. Here you can easily see the difference between my shiny buffed out thumbnail and the non-buffed thumbnail. Dull, shiny. All right, I'm back. If you want to pick up one of these 4-sided buffing blocks to keep your nails looking fresh, click under the video where it says show more, and there will be a link there. You can grab it right there, or go to shavenation.com, enter 711 in the search box. It'll pop right up. You want your nails to look fresh. You don't want them looking dastardly. That's not nice. What did Dan Marino say back in the day? Do you guys even know who Dan Marino is, you youngsters? Miami Dolphins quarterback? Well, he said, take care of the hands that take care of you. Do me a favor before I head out. Please click that subscribe button down there. Then click the bell. Then click all. That way you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss any. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.
Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.